You see those clean, razor sharp fades, but getting one yourself feels like a roll of the dice. You try to explain what you want, but still walk out with a lineup that's off or a blend that isn't right. The problem isn't you, it's not knowing the right language. In this haircut tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fade your hair by teaching you what to say to your barber. We'll cover the steps so you get the perfect fade every single time. Let's get into it. First, let's break down the main types of fades. The difference is just how high the blend goes. A low fade starts right above the ear. It's subtle, clean, and perfect for a conservative look. A mid fade is the most popular for a reason. It starts around your temples, giving you a perfect balance that works with any style. Then you have the high fade, the boldest option. It starts high up on the sides, creating a sharp, modern contrast that makes the hair on top look fuller. Choosing one of these is your first step. Next, you need to choose between a skin fade or a taper fade. They are not the same. A skin fade goes all the way down to the bare skin, using a shaver for that ultra smooth, high contrast pop. A taper fade is more traditional. It gets short, but still leaves a bit of stubble at the bottom. It doesn't fade down to the skin. It's a clean finish, but less intense. Knowing this difference is crucial for getting the cuts you want. Before we jump to the next step, I gotta hear from you. Drop a comment below with your absolute worst haircut story. We've all got one, so let's have a laugh. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips to keep you looking fresh. Now, let's talk barber lingo. Knowing these terms is a game changer. First, guard numbers. A lower number means shorter hair. You can say, start with the number 2 on the sides and fade it down. This tells your barber exactly what you want. Next, the lineup or edge up. Be clear here to avoid your hairline getting pushed back. Just say, keep my lineup natural, or give me a sharp C cup, but don't push it back. If you only remember one thing from this haircut tutorial, make it this. Bo, bring a picture. It's the ultimate guarantee. Find a picture of someone with a similar hair texture and head shape. Show your barber and say, this is the goal. You can even use our terms like, I want this high skin fade with a natural lineup. Getting the perfect fade is one thing, but maintenance is key. A fresh fade looks best for about a week, so plan on visiting your barber every 1 to 3 weeks for a touch-up. Between visits, use a good moisturizer to prevent dry, ashy skin on your fade, and to protect your cut while you sleep, wear a durag or use a satin pillowcase. This reduces friction and keeps your fade looking sharp, and that's how to fade your hair like a pro. The power is in your hands. Remember the 3 keys. Know your fade type, low, mid, or high. Use the right lingo like skin fade and natural lineup. And most importantly, always bring a picture. Walk into that barbershop with confidence and you'll walk out with a flawless fade every single time.